Can doubt become your strength? The Stoicism mindset is your tool, shaping self-doubt into confidence and fear into resolve. This is your call to rise with Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, wielding 7 powers to build confidence daily. Through Stoic quotes that pierce, stories that bleed and soar, and Stoicism exercises that ignite resolve, you'll banish self-doubt, fuel self-improvement, and seize your Stoic crown. Life's whispers don't relent, but a Stoic stands, mind steady, heart ablaze. Ready to wield the Stoicism mindset and sculpt fearless confidence? Let's spark your triumph now. The Stoicism mindset rises with a truth sharp yet kind. Confidence isn't doubt's erasure, but the choice to stride through its haze. Stoic philosophy grants you dominion. You shape your thoughts, actions, and belief. Not the world's murmurs, be it scornful peers, shattered plans, or silent fears. Science reveals doubt's weight. Unchecked thoughts cloud focus, raising stress by 25%, studies show. The Stoicism mindset turns doubt into kindling, using discipline to spark confidence. Meet Lyssa, a 31-year-old ceramicist from Athens. Self-doubt kept her kiln dark, her hands trembling. "I buried my clay," she says. Stoic spark lit her path with Stoicism for beginners, her pottery now gracing galleries. Lyssa's rise fuels Stoicism motivation for all. Why does the Stoicism mindset forge confidence? It shapes your mind into a beacon, piercing doubt's fog. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Discipline, the core of Stoicism mindset, sharpens focus by 30%. Research confirms grounding your belief. In Stoicism relationships, this quiets self-criticism, weaving strength into your soul. Your flaws become flames, fueling Stoicism on love and purpose. Meet Torin, a 29-year-old beekeeper from Provence. Doubt of his skills stilled his hives, his honey unsung. "I feared my failure," he says. Stoicism lessons kindled his confidence, selling jars across markets. Torin's buzz radiates Stoic crown. Here are 7 powers the Stoicism mindset unveils to forge confidence daily. First, silent self-criticism. The Stoicism mindset knows triggers, missed deadlines, harsh words, fuel doubt, but you choose clarity. When criticism bites, pause for 5 breaths, whispering, "This is noise, not truth." Journal nightly. Did I trust my worth? Meet Saria, a 30-year-old jeweler from Istanbul. Saria's doubt of her craft dulled her gems until Stoicism. Motivation taught her to pause, crafting bold designs. "I became my own light," she says, healing her soul. The Stoicism mindset ensures doubt bends to your will. Owning your actions is the second power the Stoicism mindset sparks. Life's uncontrollables, rejections, delays, opinions, sap confidence when you chase them. The Stoicism mindset directs effort to your choices, effort and belief. Write 2 lists, I own, e.g. my work, and I don't, e.g. others' thoughts. When doubt creeps, shift to what you command. Act, refine, believe. Say daily, I shape my worth. Limit X posts that stir doubt. Seeking Stoicism, daily wisdom. Meet Varon, a 33-year-old carpenter from Montreal. Varon's fear of judgment splintered his craft until Stoicism practice focused him on his tools, restoring pride. "I stopped fearing eyes," he says, igniting clarity. The Stoicism mindset frees you from empty battles. Challenging doubt directly is the third power the Stoicism mindset unveils. Confidence is action through doubt's shroud, using premeditatio malorum to envision setbacks, like a failed project, and plan steady steps. Tackle one doubt weekly. Share a thought, try a skill. Reflect on past wins over doubt to fuel motivation. Act on one doubt today, e.g., seeking feedback. Meet Elira, a 28-year-old poet from Cape Town. Elira's doubt of her words silenced her verses, her pen dry. "I wrote only shadows," she says. Stoicism for beginners led her to share poems, publishing a collection. "Doubt fueled my voice," she says, driving self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset turns doubt into a forge for Stoic crown. Building. Resilience is the fourth power the Stoicism mindset crafts. True confidence comes from enduring, not avoiding trials. Say no to distractions, scrolling excuses, choosing purpose over ease. Start one habit. 10 minutes of writing or no social media for a day. Track it with a journal. When doubt tempts, ask, does this build my worth? Write one resilient act daily. I'll study for 15 minutes. Review weekly to grow. Meet Zevra, a 35-year-old midwife from Lyssa. Zevra's doubt of her skills stalled her care until Stoicism for women built daily rituals, saving lives. Resilience birthed my strength, she says, boosting motivation. The Stoicism mindset forges an unyielding will for productivity. Embracing imperfection is the fifth power the Stoicism mindset champions. Flaws, a missed goal, a faltered step, are teachers, not chains. Seneca said, "There is no one who cannot achieve more than he thinks he can." After a setback, write 3 lessons carved in your soul. When plans falter, ask, what can I build now? Release one self-doubt weekly through journaling. Celebrate a past recovery to heal your spirit. Meet Torin, a 34-year-old vintner from Tuscany. Torin's doubt of his wine crushed his vines until Stoicism practice reframed flaws as growth bottling a prized vintage. I grew bolder than my doubts, he says, driving self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset builds a soul that thrives in flaws. Anchoring in purpose is the sixth power the Stoicism mindset weaves. Only your mission is yours. Past failures and future fears steal focus. Practice clarity. Focus on one goal for 5 minutes daily using apps like Focus. Single task, work or rest without distraction. Notice details in each moment, like a star's glint. When drifting, say, I'm here for my purpose. Meet Naira, a 32-year-old astronomer from Santiago. Naira's doubt of her research dimmed her stars until Stoicism motivation anchored her in discovery, publishing findings. I found truth in now, she says, igniting clarity. The Stoicism mindset clears your soul for purpose. Cultivating self-belief is the final power the Stoicism mindset unveils. Confidence blooms from trusting your worth, a kind act, a new day. Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do." Write 3 strengths nightly. Speak one aloud each morning. Find a gift in flaws. Mistake teaches patience. Affirm someone's worth weekly, deepening Stoicism relationships. Meet Jorin, a 31-year-old weaver from Jaipur. Jorin's doubt of his looms faded his patterns until Stoicism for men sparked belief, crafting bold textiles. I wove my worth, he says, driving self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset weaves confidence into your Stoic crown. The Stoicism mindset transforms doubt into flame. Physically, disciplined habits ease stress, healing your soul. Mentally, focus carves clarity, fueling motivation. Emotionally, belief fosters peace, echoing Stoicism on love. Spiritually, you live your truth, embodying Marcus Aurelius's call. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. These powers, silencing criticism, owning actions, challenging doubt, resilience, imperfection, purpose, belief, forge a cycle of confidence. Picture waking certain, your mission clear, your soul steady. Take Kala, a 27-year-old dancer from Havana. Kala's doubt of her steps halted her rhythm until the Stoicism mindset built confidence, earning a stage. I became my own dance, she says, radiating Stoic crown. Or meet Torin, a 29-year-old blacksmith from Galway. Torin's doubt of his forge dulled his iron until Stoicism practice embraced flaws, crafting blades. I hammered my strength, he says, boosting motivation. Ready to forge confidence with the Stoicism mindset? Here are 8 Stoicism exercises for Stoicism for beginners, igniting mental health, clarity, and purpose. Dawn's belief. Morning, whisper one bold act, I'll key. Share today, and one doubt to release, others scorn. This Stoicism daily right fuels motivation. Doubts forge. Picture a challenge, a bold pitch, and affirm, I act with truth. This soothes anxiety. Resilience. Spark. Nightly. Right. What confidence did I wield? Where can I grow? Add a Stoic quote. You become what you give your attention to. Epictetus. This drives self-improvement. Will's flame. When tempted to doubt, do one task, 10 breaths, a line, saying, confidence is my forge. This builds Stoic crown. Beliefs glow. List 3 strengths and 1 lesson from a flaw. This heals your soul. Purpose is ember. Focus on one goal during a task, study fully for 5 minutes. This fosters clarity. Controls beacon. Write what you control, effort, and don't judgment weekly, acting only on the former. This boosts productivity. Reflection star. Review weekly. Did I trust my worth? Tweak one habit. This strengthens motivation. Will doubt dim your soul, or will the Stoicism mindset forge a life certain and free? Stoic wisdom in souls like Lyssa, Torin, Saria, Varin, Elira, Zevra, Corin, Naira, Joran, Calla, and Torin chose flame over shadow. Your challenge. For 30 days, practice one Stoicism exercise daily and wield one power. Silence a doubt, own an action, or trust your worth. Trace your path in a journal or share on X with Blarn Stoic mindset. See yourself in a month, radiant, certain, commanding your Stoic crown. Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. The Stoicism mindset is your forge, your confidence, your hammer, crafting Stoicism relationships, and Stoicism motivation. This is your flame. From Lyssa's clay to Torin's hives, Saria's gems, Varin's wood, Elira's verses, Zevra's care, Corin's wine, Naira's stars, Joran's weaves, Calla's steps, and Torin's iron. The Stoicism mindset forges lives anew. Begin with one spark. Practice Stoicism daily. Draw from Stoic quotes and craft your Stoic crown with Stoicism exercises. Your doubts are your kindling. Your Stoicism mindset is your triumph. Ignite your confidence, carve your purpose, and shine unbowed. Forge your 30-day Stoicism mindset challenge now. Share your journey in a journal or with a soul you trust.